here's an app called iScreen Widgets and Themes. So let's just install it. So let's just tap get, and then you will just be able to double click and install this app. So yeah, there you have it. So it has 2.2K ratings. And then yeah, iScreen lets you personalize your home screen and lock screen like never before. Universal desktop widgets, free combination of 400 plus widgets. Yeah, a lot of advanced features here. You have lock screen widgets, aesthetic themes, space dial, theme icon, wallpapers. And then let's just open it up and see how it can look. And then yeah, you just have all the different apps here. So you have dynamic island customization, and then start plant cultivation after obtaining seeds. Okay, all right. So during the waiting period, the waiting time can be reduced by watering, fertilizing, and magic potion. And that's your tutorial. So if you have dynamic island on iOS 16, you can just start planting and just like customize your dynamic island. And now as you can see, I just have this seeds in my dynamic island in the top. So yeah, you can just try to do that. Of course there are ads in this app, but then I can just stop activity. Then I can have quick launcher. I can, for example, just launch Spotify from my lock screen, which is much faster. And there you have it. Then I just have themes. Then I have wallpaper. Then I have AI painting, and then I have more functions. So here I also have some widgets. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then how to install the widget. So for example, I just have this widget. Just tap and hold, and then just tap plus, and then I can search for iScreen. And then I can just select small, medium, or large. So I can just select small, but that's not the end. Just tap and hold, and then you can edit, and then just select current widget, which should be saved there. And then you just have your widget installed like this. So this is how you install home screen widget. And then you can also install lock screen widgets. So for example, I just want to add this cute animation of rabbit. You can then just double check that I added this animation. And then I can just go to settings, or I can go to my lock screen and then just tap wallpaper and then just tap customize.